Okay, what's in the truck?
Is this where the horror movie folk be?
What?
I got a truckload of snakes for them horror movie folk.
Well, I better take a look.
Careful now. They be poison snakes. 1 minute, you're a big, strapping, healthy man, and the next, snap, you're dead meat, deep sick.
I better check it out.
Careful now. They'll knot up on you. Them poison snakes will do that. You gotta be more round. When they get knotted up on you like that, you get real crazy. Especially on a day like today when it's real hot. You want one for you, boy? I gave one to my boy last year.
No, that's all right. Just take the truck on over to stage 5.
That's her left for me. Let me hide. Myself in there. That's all these movie people want. Poison.